Namaskar students, welcome to GDCA College channel. I'm Dr. Ashok Jogdan. We gonna see how to apply for panel registration in this video. This is the part 2 of panel registration video. So in this video, entire process we're gonna see from end to end. Whoever has applied for applying for a new register or new user. So how can we do that? That is very important. So whoever has completed their GDC examination and passed with the maybe past class, second class, or whatever class you pass in. So for that student especially, so where has passed their examination in May 2023. So for those students, this video is very important. So let's get started then.
ध्येय नवीन समोर दिसतंय, बँकिंगचं स्वप्न पूर्ण होणार.
GDCA ची साथ जिंकायची ही वाट, यशाची गॅरंटी आता सुरुवात. GDCA कॉलेज
हो भविष्य उज्ज्वल,
GDCA कॉलेज
मिळणार यश.
सहकार आणि बँकिंग करिअर घडवा खास. GDCA कॉलेज देते यशाचा विश्वास.
So once again, we're going to see the required documents for panel registration. These are the following documents. So before starting with the registration process. So this is the English version of the previous video. So number one document is required educational document, degree certificate and mark sheet in one PDF with below 1 MB size, then GDCA mark sheet certificate, PDF file, experience certificate of chartered accountant on letterhead or certified auditor on letterhead. Then PAN card PDF format, affidavit, Parisist 2, we can say. So fully prescribed format. Photograph, one photograph, JPG file below 500 KB. And fitness certificate if your age is above 65 years. Okay, so these are the documents, and Aadhaar card for the address verification process. So these are the documents required. So now we're going to see the registration part. How can we register? So let's get started with the registration process. First of all, we have to go on a Sahakar, the website actually, that is mahasahakar.maharashtra.gov.in. If you click on that website, then you will be able to see the interface, the home page. And on the right side, you can find the three dots, and from there, just you have to click there, and drop down will come up with the, once you click on the e-governance and IT systems. And number fourth option we have to select, that is of online audit system management. You have to click here. So likewise, and then we will be redirect to this interface. This is the second home page for a particular thing. And on the, this page, you will find online audit management system, cooperative society audit process overview. So here you can see second number option, auditor / society login. So here you have to click. Once you click here, you will be able to see the pop-up like this. You will be redirect to the external website. So you have to click on OK. So this site will get open, or this interface will get open, or else you can directly go to this link. That is the link already given in the circular. That the link is docmahaonline.gov.in/account/login/login.aspx. So once you hit here, you will be able to see the this type of interface for a particular link. Whoever is logged in for the first time, for those people already auditor empanelment manuals are given. So we have to click here to see the process. So if you want to see, you can check here. Our entire procedure is already given. So we will skip this process because we're going to see in the video. Okay. So here, click on the new user, whoever is apply for a new for a first time for the panel. Then account type, click on drop downs, and you have to click on third number option, that is auditor, individual certified auditor. Once you click here, username, you must put your username. Mine username already created actually. So I will give it to you likewise. So this is already taken. So your email ID, whatever email ID you will be having. Then password, here you have to enter the password. Okay. So, and you have to click on the create user. Okay. Once you click on the create user, you will be able to see the different page, like, login main page, home page, we can say, or dashboard. So how the dashboard is going to be, we're going to see that. I will log in directly. So my username is, and password I'll enter here, and I'll hit on login. Is going to be. So you will, after you register, you will be able to see this type of interface, and this here, it will be blank actually. Here it will be like this, select. Okay. So here you have to select the first one, that is individual certified auditor. This you have to select, and after that you have to mention your full name, then PAN card, and if you want to mention Aadhaar number, you can enter, or else it is not necessary. So whatever things are there, the mandatory things which already created as a star. So next address, you have to mention correct address as per the your affidavit and as per the Aadhaar, we can say. So this is my address and district, and then taluka, then pin code and phone number, mobile number, and email ID. So this is the thing what you can say. After filling all the details, here you can check. Here you can see, is applicant have any experience? That is like, a previous panel experience. Okay. So we do not have that panel experience. So we have to click on no. So once you click on no, you will be able to see the next thing what we have to add here. We have to add the experience certificate. So I have already created all the documents in PDF format with below 1 MB size. So I will directly select my documents. So I'll choose my all documents, click on the documents GDCA. Then I'll click here to add my CA certificate. So here I'll add that and click on save. So after clicking on save, it will say data saved successfully. So then I'll have to click here on OK. Then again, I will, then this educational details will get open actually, as I already filled up all the details. So again, I'm telling you. So educational detail here. So here here in educational detail, you have to add degree. So here I'll add BCom in the year, which year I have passed the BCom. So here I'll make some changes. Then here I'll mention Pune University, then first class division, and I'll select the proof of my degree certificate and mark sheet here. I'll click here and click on add qualification. When I add the qualification is added successfully, this pop-up will come. I have to click on OK, then you will see the BCom certificate or BCom degree is already added. Then again, we have to click on select degree, click on the GDCA, because we have to add GDCA as well. In year, which year you passed GDCA, 2019, and here you mention Pune GDCA, or you can mention GDCA, no problem, GDCA Pune. So whatever things are there, compatible, no problem. So you can select here whatever your grade or class, choose the file in which your GDCA degree and mark sheets are there. Click on the add documents and click add qualification. So here again, qualification added successfully pop-up will be there. Then you can see your all educational qualifications are added. And if you don't have BCom, actually you might have BA or some other qualifications, you can click here on other qualification. Okay, so this is for CA, GDCA, HDCM, DCA, MCom, BCom, LLB, other. Then COEP, that is Certificate of Practice. Then Chartered Accountant and Cost Accountant. Okay, these are the things already there in drop down. Then after saving this, you will be now this will not open because we have already added the experience letter in the personal detail here. You can see, so that's why it will not get open. So we will directly go to the declaration part, declaration page. Click here. So you can see here, I'll ask for upload the PAN card. Click on the choose file, then click on PAN card, then add and upload PAN card. The PAN card uploaded successfully. This pop-up will be there. Click on OK. Then you have to add or upload affidavit. You have to upload affidavit. Click to choose file. Click on the affidavit that is here. We have already created. Click. Then again you have to upload your photographs. Choose file. Click on choose file. Then click on the photograph, whatever photographs you have. Click here, and here actually has experience in Marathi, so you have to click on yes. Select on from the drop down and save. So data saved successfully. This pop-up will come, and click on OK. This will be declaration form. So okay, resubmit. Click on submit here because I have already submitted, so it is asking me to resubmit again. So after submitting, see likewise. So it will ask you permission actually for to submit these things. Before that, you must check entire things, all things are correct or not. Make sure that everything is correctly mentioned, and do not make any mistake during the submission. So click here on submit, and you will be able to see the transaction ID. So this transaction ID you have to make a note of, or you can take a screenshot of this, and rest of the communication will be shared on the email ID. Okay. So click on OK. So this will be your auditor registration done here. So, and if you click on dashboard will look like this. So click on profile and then other things. So that's it. This is how you have to do. So if anything will be there in future, or else any changes or things that will be coming from directly from the panel. So you will have to wait to get appropriate reply. Okay. So that's how it is going to be.
So this is how you can create your username and password. You can apply for a panel registration on online portal on Mahasarkar website actually. So that is very important. So again, I'm telling you whatever things are there, and you should make sure that your mail ID is very important here. Plays a very important role, because on mail ID you will get to know that whether it is accepted or not, what are the process and all, what are the pending documents and everything. So that is very important. So again, I'm telling you to before checking, before submitting your form, please do check all the things properly and then submit your documents. I hope you like this information. If you found it informative, please do like this video and click on subscribe button, which is already in the side screen actually. So you can click on that and you can subscribe to channel for more updates about GDCA and other updates as well. If you have any queries or any questions, difficulties, do call us. If you are able to do online, that is very important. So if you are not able to, we'll take some nominal charges and we'll update your form, or we will do your registration. That is what we will do. So if anyone stays here in Pune or nearby, they can come and they can call us, or else they can send our documents and we can do the registration for them. Okay, so that's what we will do. We'll see you in next video with updated information on another topic. Till then, namaskar.